All right, thanks for joining us on this beautiful Wednesday in Farmville. It's been kind of cold. We were actually in High Point, North Carolina the last few days, and it's a little chilly, but it's spring finally, and we're going to show you some updates on what we're doing with the courtyard and planting and sort of making everything all fresh and nice for when you come to visit. So just to start off, we're redoing all the plants in front of building number 9. Nothing's here yet. The same James River company out of Richmond is helping us do all the planting. I just kind of wanted to show you where we're at right now. Got some new planting on the side, and again, I don't know anything about plants, so if you spot a plant that you know, maybe put it in the comments. It helps me. So anyways, here we go. So some of the trees are actually blooming. I don't know the right word for that, but they're gonna be really pretty. They're gonna grow and it's gonna be nice. But right now the courtyard it's open, so there is a little construction here and there, but we have a lot of our alfresco home. It's cast aluminum, and just wanted to kind of show you it's super sturdy stuff. We've got a few different sets. And again, this is it's just no fuss. You know, not the most ornate stuff, but it's fun. It's a 7-piece dining set for $21.99. And all of these sets and chairs do come with cushions. Just to show you, we keep them inside right now just so they don't, get damaged from the weather. But nice cushion, sort of nice taupey color. And then we have another set, a little bigger. This one is 11-piece dining set for $33.99. So you get everything. I think there are ways to buy chairs separately. Sort of right over here. I don't have a price for these usually, but it's a reasonable price. We get them through containers, so like we do with a lot of furniture, the container pricing is really good. And of course, we're still, like I said, doing some planting here. We're gonna make our pergola, have some trees. We finished all the basic planting and irrigation. We just need to kind of set up our pergola there. And
Ginger Jones says hi. She says they want all the outdoor furniture now.
well, you got it. Yeah, most of it's inside, but if you come this weekend, we got it. And we also have a fun wine festival right behind our buildings on Saturday. You know what it's called, Ilsa?
The Farmville Wine Festival.
Okay, I didn't even know we had one, but we do. So grab a glass of wine. I don't know if you can bring it all the way up here, but this is gonna be the place to hang out. And then we have more of a counter height set. Again, the 5-piece set is $15.99. Comes with cushions. Again, cast aluminum. And this is where we're just kind of also redoing some stuff. We're gonna make our bathrooms in the old field house. So we'll be able to have bathrooms through there, and also building 9 access for those bathrooms. So that's gonna be kind of nice. And all the bluestone is laid. The brick is in as well. So it's getting there. But just keeping it short and sweet today. Awesome weather. Come by either tomorrow or whenever you get a chance, and just kind of take in the weather and buy some outdoor furniture. See ya.